Mama hen with feathers bright calls her chicks at morning light. Peck, peck, they search around, tiny feet upon the ground. Papa Rooster stands up tall, crowing loud to wake them all. Flack, flack, wings so wide, chicks all follow side by side. In the sunshine they all play, hopping, running through the hay. Scratch, scratch the grains they find, eating breakfast warm and kind. Then they rest beneath the tree, happy, clucking wild and free. As the moon begins to rise, sleepy chicks rub their eyes. Mama sings a lullaby underneath the starlit sky. Cluck, cluck, good night, they say, dreaming sweet till